If you're seeing OneDrive error code 7003, don't worry. This usually means there's a problem with your work or school account connection, or old credentials are causing OneDrive to fail when it tries to sign in. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OneDrive error code 7003 step by step, and I'll also explain what to do if the issue is coming from your organization's device registration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is disconnect the work or school account from Windows. This is important because a stale account connection can stop OneDrive from refreshing properly. To do that, press Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open Settings. Once Settings opens, click on Accounts. On some versions of Windows, this may appear as Accounts and Users, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. From there, choose Access Work or School. You should now see any organization account that's connected to your PC. Find the account that's causing the problem, click on it, and then select Disconnect or Remove. Windows may ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. After that, restart your computer. This restart is important because it gives Windows a chance to refresh the device registration and clear out the broken connection. Once your PC is back on, try signing into OneDrive again and check whether the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear old credentials from Credential Manager. Sometimes Windows keeps saved login tokens that conflict with OneDrive, and removing them can fix the problem quickly. To do this, go to the search bar on your taskbar and type Credential Manager, then open it. Inside Credential Manager, click Windows Credentials. Now look through the list for anything related to Microsoft Office, OneDrive, or even Microsoft account sign-in entries that look outdated or connected to the wrong profile. When you find one, click it to expand to details, and then select Remove. If you see multiple related entries, remove the ones that clearly belong to the work or school account that was causing the issue. After that, close Credential Manager and restart your computer once more for the changes to fully apply. Then open OneDrive again and try signing in. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix error code 7003 and get OneDrive working normally again. But if you've done both steps and the error still appears, then the problem may be on your company side. In that case, the device object may still be missing from your organization's tenant, or your machine may need to be re-registered by IT. If that happens, you'll need to contact your IT administrator and let them know you're getting OneDrive error code 7003. Ask them to check whether your device was removed intentionally or whether they need to re-add or re-register your computer on their end. If you're using a managed work or school device, this last step is especially important because the issue may not be something you can fully fix on your own. So to quickly recap, first disconnect the work or school account, then clear old OneDrive or Microsoft credentials, and if needed, contact your IT administrator to verify the device registration. That should help you resolve OneDrive error code 7003 in the most common cases. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with another Windows or OneDrive error.